So, inshallah, we're here today because these wonderful people are ready to embrace Islam, or to reconfirm Shahada that was said before. And, you know, for me, for someone who converted to Islam and took a long way to really embracing my religion, I have to say, seeing these three women already wearing hijab because Islam has entered their heart really, really makes me very happy. I can't even express how warm my heart is. But Ma, can you help translate when I start talking?
Aisha.
Okay. The most important thing as a Muslim, the most important thing that we have to have is what we call Tawheed, and that's the belief in one God, that there is only one God, and that's expressed in the Holy Quran, in the surah that says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, which says there is only one God. He is one. He did not give birth. He does not give birth. He was not born. That concept of Tawheed is so important because all the other religions have these different things to worship instead of God. So the Shahada is saying that you bear witness that there is only one God, that He has no partners, that the only thing worth worship in this world is Allah, the one true God. And then you bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of God. Can you?
Ayon sa kanyang sinabi ni Brother Saifullah na dapat tayong maniwala sa tinatawag na Tawhid. Ano ba ang Tawhid? Ang paniniwala na mayroong iisang Diyos at wala siyang katulad, hindi siya nanganak at hindi rin siya inianak, kundi nag-iisa lang siya. At dapat maniwala din tayo na ang Propeta Muhammad ang siyang huling messenger ng Allah sa ngayon, sa panahon natin ngayon, kasi wala nang kasunod para sa kanya.
Okay. So, I'm going to ask you in English and then I will ask in Tagalog, and I just want you to say yes if this is true. Do you believe that there is only one God and Muhammad is His last and best messenger?
Naniniwala ba kayo na meron lamang iisang Diyos at ang Propeta Muhammad ang kanyang sinugo o messenger sa huling araw?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good, good.
Yes.
So, to confirm this and take your first step as Muslims, we'll say the Shahada together. So, point your right finger straight up. The right finger, this is just a sign. It just says there is one God. And repeat after me.
Okay. Pagkatapos niya, susunod lang tayo. Right hand, brother. Kung ano sasabihin niya, ita-translate ko sa inyo ng Tagalog at susundan niyo.
Okay. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammada Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar, everybody.
Allahu Akbar.
So, start from right to left. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome itong dalawa, mashallah. Sabay sila eh, sabi Ashhadu Allah.
Tapos, yung group Allah ka?
Yes.
Oh, dito naman.
Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
Takbir. Allahu Akbar.
Welcome natin ang ating mga
Okay, group group picture.
Mashallah, Brad.
Ano natin to sa YouTube. Teka, grupo. Mga girls dito ba na? Bago ay sister, welcome to Islam. Grupo picture.